Hello, this is JR. I'm going to break a box of 2019 Topps Archives tonight. Had a break online and no takers, so we're going to go ahead and break it now and see what we have here. This is my first box of Archives, so I'm not fully knowing what to expect here. So that in the back there. Alright. So I'll be doing breaks. Probably do another one next Saturday night. Don't know what I'll be doing yet, but it'll be a divisional break. And we'll see. I'll post it up this week. Duke Snider, Justin Verlander. We're supposed to get 2 on-card autographs per box. So these ones I had selling for $17 a division. Just to get an idea if we get, what kind of hits we get. Rod Carew, Salvador Perez for me. Shetty, Scotty. Paul DeJong. JD Martinez, Willie McCovey. Ryan rookie. Kukichu rookie. Haniger. Devers. Tony Perez, Topps Magazine Necrom, Ralph Kiner, Tress Speaker. It's been very dud-like so far. Desmond, Castro, Duel, Mel Ott, Christian Yelich, Don Mattingly, Bryce Wilson rookie. And our Don Mattingly there. Yadier Molina. Here's our Vlad rookie. Ryan Sandberg. Brendan Lau rookie card. Here's our autograph. Yankees, Fred Stanley. We'll sleeve that one up. It's Justice Sheffield, Sammy Sosa, and David Ortiz. Of course, like most hits, Yankees seem to have all the hits half the time. But that makes sense. There's our first autograph out of the box. Plop it right in there. Nice clean looking autograph. Alright. Kevin Biggio, rookie card. Clayton Kershaw, Wilhelm. Eloy, rookie card. Sorry, Griffey, Nolan Ryan. Rogers Hornsby, and Joe Morgan. I know there's some variation cards in here too. I don't know what they look like. That's something I'll just have to kind of look up on my own time. Don Larson, Roberto Alomar, Bill Hodges, Al Newhouser. There's an Ichiro. I think that's an insert. I think Ichiro has his own insert in here. Michael Givens, Witt, and Gary Sanchez. We got our Glaber, Carl Seager, Louis Brinson, Michael Franco, Eddie Rosario, Gurriel Jr., Jake Lamb, Monty Irvin. Alright. We got Reggie Jackson, A-Rod, Duger rookie, DeGrom, Javier Baez, Kiermaier, Nola, and Cabrera. We got the Jake Bauers rookie card, Cepeda, Ashburn, Goldschmidt, Benintendi, Mike Trout, it's nice, Alonso, and Dansby Swanson. Ramon Liriano, rookie card, Ronald Acuna, Chris Sale, Cody Bellinger, Matt Olson, Kikuchi, Crawford, and Victor Robles. Down to about half a box here. Candelario, Cano, McCutcheon, Longoria, Pilar, Ken Griffey, Topps Magazine, Zach Cozart, and Robin Roberts. Corbin, Chavez rookie card, Simmons, Rizzuto. There's a Juan Soto highlights card. Honus Wagner, Carl Yaz, and there's a Jeff McNeil rookie card. Pulling a few rookies here. Goose Gossage, the old school hat. Hank Aaron, Roger Maris, Rivera, Arcia rookie. There's a Coco LeBoy, Expos 50 years, Kristen Stewart, Fergie Jenkins. Bob Gibson, Shipper, Luis Urias rookie card, Toki Toussaint rookie card, Early Win, Francisco Lindor, Chris Davis, and a Trevor Story. Down to 8 packs. Should be getting closer to that other autograph here. Me personally, I'd like to pull at least a base Tatis out of here. That's what I'm hunting down. Max Muncy, Springer, Winker. There's a mini card, Colin Moran, Fernando Reyes, Trey Turner, and a Kobe Allard rookie card. Alright. Edwin Diaz. Hunter Renfroe. Zach Greinke. Jameson Talon. Marcus Stroman. Here's an Austin Riley rookie card. This is framed. Looks like we're numbered out of 99 there. So that's pretty cool. Atlanta Braves hit. Ryan O'Hearn. Tim Raines. Oh, I got that one a little close there. So that Austin Riley, I think that's a pretty good hit. Pop that up right next to our autograph there. Austin Riley. All right. Andrews. Cole Tucker rookie. Chris Shaw rookie. Invel de los Santos rookie. Alec Line. Vlad. There's another Vlad rookie. I think these are the... I don't know what these are. I thought it was an insert, but I don't think it is. Nice George Brett. Alexander Bogarts. So we've gotten 2 Vlads out of this one. I'm trying to get Tatis. They're trying to give me all the Vlads here. We have Anthony Rizzo. Here's Mike Trout. Hugh Reese. Enos Slaughter. Javier Baez. Kikuchi. Billy Hamilton. And Miguel Andujar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Down to 6 packs. Any of these should be our next or our last autograph here. Chance Adams rookie. Zabo Jackson. Correa. Encarnacion. Odor. Is this going to be our autograph? It is not. Jose Altuve. Ernie Banks. Ozzie Smith. Blake Treinen. Got a Buster Posey. Let's see, is this going to be our autograph here? It's a rookie, Roddy Tellez, not autoed. Nomar and Williams Astudillo, rookie card. Dylan Bundy. Dozers, Sandy Koufax. Bernie Williams. Frank Thomas. I like seeing that. Is this going to be our autograph? It is. Jeff Edelson. And there's a Pete Alonso rookie. And Chris Bryant. I do not know who Jeff Edelson is. See if I get it sleeved up. And I don't know what team this would go to. Jeff Edelson. He's the Director of Public Relations and Promotions for the National Hall of Fame. And he's going to retire after the 2019 ceremony, which means he's retired. So, personally, I would rather have a player, but it is what it is. And if this would have been This would have been in break. I probably wouldn't have had a choice but to random that off, since he doesn't play for a team. Alright. Down to our last 2 packs. Jeter, Guerrero, Jansen rookie, Hendricks, Ronald Acuna, highlights, Alex Bregman, and Polanco. Last pack. Lefty Grove, Whitey Ford, Giolito, Adalberto Mondesi, Max Kepler, another Ichiro insert, Joe Panik, and Aaron Sanchez. So, not a very good box in my opinion. Everyone lucked out. I'm not buying in on this break. But I think the American League East would have had the win here. You would have gotten the autograph, and there's 2 different Vlad rookies in there. And Vlad rookies is always good to have. Alright, well that's it. Thanks for watching. And we'll get the hits one more time. Fred Stanley. Not a Yankees player I know too well. Austin Riley, number 99. Jeff Edelson, works for the National Baseball Hall of Fame. Some Eloy rookie, some Vlad rookies, and a Pete Alonso rookie. That's it. Thanks for watching.